Hi, this is J Money, and coming to you with a new video with the German Husky. She's my little puppy, and she's not one yet, but she will be one later this year. I will keep y'all updated for whoever's subscribed. She's growing, being a big girl, and she's cute. This is her first time being in snow. And she's not even 1 year old yet. She's a few months old. She's used to being in the cold, but not this type of weather. So this is her first experience, y'all. Osita. There we go. No. All right. There. All right. She's getting a little hyper. He's like, I kind of yanked on the leash. Stop. She's so cute. Hey. Hey. Okay, I'm getting a little dizzy. Stop. I'm getting dizzy. Look, guys, that's the ground. Where you at? You're so cute. Hey, 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 hey. Stop. Stop. You're so cute. Smell the grass. Hey, smell the snow. Smell it. Smell the snow. Play in the snow. Play in the snow.